All right, today in class we talked about lesson 14-4 as well as lesson 14-5. So tonight's homework is going to be a mixture of both of these lessons, and 14-4 deals with estimating liquid volume, while 14-5 deals with measuring liquid volume exactly. So they're kind of similar, and just to save some time, we do both of them at the same time. So we talked about liters today, and we talked about how many beverages are sold in 1 liter and 2 liter bottles, and that a good drink, you know, if you were going to get a cup out of your cupboard and fill it with water and drink it, that it would probably be about 1/4 of a liter. So 1 unit capacity is a liter. Many beverages. Okay, so let's get started. So if we're drinking from a can, that's just a small drink, so that's about 1/4 of a liter. If we're talking about a bottle of perfume, that's probably 1/4 of a liter. An eyedropper, 1/10 of a liter. And a sink is probably around 20 liters. So those are some of the things that we talked about. A wading pool would be another name for like a little mini swimming pool, so that would probably be 85 liters. But a fishbowl is probably around 6 liters. Small water bottle. Since it's small, we're going to go with 1/2 of a liter. Remember that a 2 liter bottle is pretty big. It's like a soda bottle for a party, is kind of how I described it as for the kids. Soup ladle is just going to give us enough for a little bit. Small milk carton, it's just a small drink. Soup can, about 1/2 of a liter. A sports cooler probably will hold 20 liters. And the salt shaker, well, that's a big salt shaker, but 1/4 of a liter. So write an estimate for the capacity of a glass of juice. A glass of juice is just about a drink, so 1/4 of a liter will be about right. And then, write an estimate for the capacity of a pitcher of water, probably about 2 liters. 1 liter, 2 liter, either one will be good. Okay, so now to measure exactly, our book uses this picture for all of the measurements. Now you'll notice that this one is 1 liter each, while this one is same size in the picture, but it is measuring 10 liters. So it's very important for the kids to take a look at the top of the measuring cup to see how many liters. So since this is 1 liter each, I can count 1, 2, 3 full liters. This one is 10 liters at the top, but we can see that it's not filled to the top. So we're going to look, I see 5 liters, and then I'm going to count the lines, 6, 7, and that one's going to be 8 liters. We're back to 1 liter here, and they are all full, so we have 3 liters again. Over here is 20 liters. So we have one that's 20 liters, plus we have some more. Now these lines, I see 10 in the middle, so if I count, I'm going to have to count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This one is filled up to the 6 liter line, so I have 20 liters plus 6 more liters, which equals 26 liters. Down here, these are 10 liters each, so I have 10 liters plus 10 liters plus some more. 5 in the middle plus 6 plus, we're at 7 liters. So we could write an equation, 10 plus 10 plus 7, and that equals 27 liters. Don't forget the label on those. The capital L is the label for liters. This one is 20 liters. It is not full. Like we did before, we have to count by twos, so this one has 4 liters in it. All right, that's it for homework tonight. Pretty fast, pretty simple.